Hi everyone. I was looking for follow-ups to how to propagate Sansevieria plants or snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue on YouTube or other videos, and I couldn't really find a follow-up after leaf cutting propagation. So I wanted to share this visual, this video with everyone to show what you can expect after a few months of doing leaf cutting propagation. So I followed a lot of those videos on YouTube on how to propagate Sansevieria plants by leaf cutting, and I took sections and I planted them a few inches deep, and after a few months I saw small growths like this size, and these were all planted at the same time, but the ones inside were much faster at growing, and these just popped up a few days ago. So I believe this plant has been actually in here for several months, close to like 3 or 4 months. So they just started really growing during late spring, and now I'm getting multiple growths from almost each leaf. It was really slow because in the beginning, because it was during winter time. But as soon as spring came and the sun came, they really started popping up. And you can look elsewhere in YouTube that Sansevieria plants propagate through rhizomes. So inside you will see like a connecting stem, almost like a root extending, and they're called rhizomes. So when these grow a little bit bigger, I will separate the rhizomes from the leaf. You just pretty much slice it down the half down the middle, and replant the newborn pup. I hope you enjoyed this video.